Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to pin comments on Instagram in both on posts and reels. First of all, if you want to pin comments on Instagram reels or posts, open up the Instagram application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Instagram, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then this will take you to your posts or reels, from where select a post or a reel you want to pin comments on. After selecting one of your posts or reels, go ahead and get to the preview and scroll a bit down and tap on the chat bubble or the comment button underneath your video preview. Now this will open up comments. In order to pin a comment, go ahead and press and hold a comment, and then in the pop-up click on pin. Now your favorite comment will be pinned at the top of your post or reels. When you pin a comment, the person will be notified that their comment has been pinned. After the comment has been pinned, it will be displayed on top of the comment section. If you want to unpin the comment back again, you'll need to press and hold again and tap on unpin in the pop-up. Now click on unpin once again to confirm, and that's how you can pin and unpin comments on posts or reels. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.